Let me ask you something real quick. If your main income disappears tomorrow, how many other ways do you have right now to put money back on the table for your family? Because when I finally sat down and answered that question honestly, it changed everything about how I spent my evenings. Here's the thing most people won't say out loud. Having a job is fine. A salary pays the bills, but when one paycheck is responsible for 100% of your household, you're one bad month away from real trouble. One round of layoffs, one surprise expense, and suddenly there's zero breathing room. Now, most people hear second income and immediately they think they've got to make $10,000 a month or it's not worth it. That's backwards. Your first goal is $100 online. That's it. Because that first $100 proves something powerful that you can earn money outside of a salary. And this isn't just theory. People who start this way, small, consistent, with whatever time they can carve out, report that crossing that first threshold is what finally makes the whole thing feel real. Once you know it's possible for you, the only question left is how do I grow it? And you don't need to quit your job on Monday morning to do this. Even an hour a day, evening, weekends, whenever you've got a pocket of time, can build you something that covers groceries, a car payment, or even just a bill. Think about what that could mean for your household budget. One less thing to stress about every month. Along the way, you can pick up marketing, content, and sales skills that belong to you no matter what happens at work. Nobody can lay you off from the skills you own, but here's what trips people up. They wait. They tell themselves they'll start when things calm down or when they really need to. Don't do that. Think about it this way. It's far easier to build a second income alongside a job when your bills are already covered than it is to build one under financial pressure. With your back against the wall, you don't want to do that. The people that feel most secure aren't the ones who earn the most from their job. They're the ones who didn't wait until they were desperate to start building something else. Start before you need it. That's the whole game. So, if any part of this resonates with you, here's where I'd point you next. If you're serious about building a second income online, so your job doesn't always have to be your only option, check out the turnkey residual income system at bigresidual.com. 80% of every dollar comes back to you, and there's a done for you sales system that handles the selling so that hour a day actually counts. The link is in the description down below.